Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this one we are discussing how to set a stop loss and take profits in TradingView. Firstly guys, you need to open a trade, click the plus button on the chart and select long position for a buy trade or short position for a sell trade. Click on the chart where you want to enter the trade. After that you can set the stop loss and take profit. A position tool will appear on the chart with three lines. Firstly, middle line, entry price, bottom line, stop loss. You can drag this lower for buy trades and higher for sell trades. Top line is a take profit. Drag this higher for buy trades and lower for sell trades. If you want to modify an existing trade, you can do this easily as well. So you need to open the orders panel, click on the active trade, then modify the stop loss and take profit levels. And lastly, using order panel for precise levels, you can right click on the chart and select create stop loss, take profit for an existing trade. Enter the exact price or percentage for stop loss and take profits. And that's it. Properly setting stop loss and take profit helps manage risk and secure profits automatically. Guys, if you enjoyed, if this was helpful, press like. See you in the next one.